Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, all kinds of astrology and foreign travel. Today's topic is very important. Whether you are an astrologer or not, if you want to see these combinations in your horoscope and if you want to learn about those combinations, then you need to see these. Today we'll start with Jupiter's combination with different planets, okay? And this is very important. How can we predict few important things about a native, okay, just by looking at the combination of planets with Jupiter? Friends, when I see combination, you know that in Nadi astrology, I always said it earlier that planets having connection in 159 or the trine houses are connected always. But today I'm not going to talk about that. Remember it. This is the combinations which I am going to explain today. It will be in a same house. Okay. In Nari astrology, what happens? We see combinations like in trine, and again sometimes we see combinations in the adjoining houses also. See, if Jupiter is here and Sun is here, sometimes while calculating we see that those two planets are combined to each other. But in this case, whatever I am going to explain today, it is not important, and house is also not important. House is important, of course, Rashi or sign is important, but that I will talk later. Okay, this is in general, and remember one more thing, it also depends on the aspects. Okay, suppose Jupiter and Sun having these qualities, if they sit together in a particular house, but a malefic planet is aspecting, like Saturn or Ketu or Rahu, okay, or Mars. In that case, the result might differ a little, but overall, this will be the case which I am going to explain. So let's start. Friends, Jupiter, we know Jupiter is the Atmakaraka planet. Again, I am just repeating myself that these combination should be in one house, which I am going to explain. Okay, suppose in any particular house, if Jupiter and Sun is together, sitting together in a particular house or conjoined to each other or combined, then what happens? Okay, girl or boy, doesn't matter. Native will be a look-alike of his or her father. He or she might look like the father because Sun is the father in Nadi astrology. Jupiter is Atmakarak planet or yourself. Okay, if Jupiter and Sun is together sitting in a single house, that means you either look like your father or you have qualities of your father. Okay, number one. Number two is Sun. Sun is the father, as I said. Jupiter is public service. Okay, so easily we can say that also Jupiter is a teacher or a guru. Now easily we can predict that if Jupiter and Sun is together in a particular chart, we always say that you either look like your father or you have the qualities of your father, and your father might be a known personality. Okay, known personality means I'm not saying that it would be the father would be a good big politician or a big film actor. That depends, it can happen, but that depends. Okay, but in general I have seen that father would be a known personality, public figure, known in the local area, or a teacher. Your father might be a teacher. because Jupiter is the teacher and Sun is the father. And if Jupiter and Sun are together, then your father might be a teacher. Okay. Now, if these two planets are sitting together in your chart, then you are a very pious person or a religious person, because Sun denotes God also. So you believe in God and you respect religion and God. Okay. Another thing, your father might be a Purohit also. Okay. Just look at the qualities of Jupiter. A teacher, a preach. Okay. It depends. Or a public figure. Okay. Father might be a politician also. Your father is a known personality. Your father would be in a field which serves the public, like bank. Okay. Your father must have been done or must have been doing a respected job or respectable job. Okay. That's what Jupiter and Sun tells us. Another important thing is, if Jupiter and Sun are together in a house, you are a powerful personality in your house. Okay. Next combination, Jupiter and Saturn. It's a very important one. Okay. If you see this combination in any chart, Jupiter and Saturn sitting together in a particular house, irrespective of the house, okay, that means that this native would have obstacles in his or her entire life, because Saturn gives obstacles, problems, and this native would be suffering a lot. Okay, especially at the earlier part of his or her life, the childhood days, at least till 20 or 12, he or she would be suffering a lot. Okay. Now it might change. Again, I am repeating myself. It might change according to the aspects of other planets. If a benefic planet is aspecting this combination, then this result might change, might differ. Okay. If these two planets, Saturn and Jupiter, are sitting together in a chart, it denotes that the native needs to be a hardworking person, and it generally denotes that this person is hardworking, whether it is a female or a male. Okay, because Saturn is karma. Saturn generally make the native work a lot. Okay, and generally they get the job definitely, but after the normal time, I think it will be delayed. Okay, generally it has been seen that if Saturn is sitting with Jupiter, Saturn delays things. Okay, so he or she will be getting a job, and that might be a good job, but it will be, the job will be delayed. Okay, and it can be a public related job like banks or hospitals, or I can say that it depends again. Okay, upon the combinations of all the planets and aspects, but generally they do public servant kind of job or a teacher or a guru. Because see, when I was saying this combination, so I was saying that when I was explaining this part, I was saying that the father might be a teacher or a public personality, but in this case Jupiter is you. Okay, and Saturn generally denotes the karma, and karma regarding to the nature of Jupiter, that means Jupiter is teacher, so you can be a teacher, you can be a guru. Okay, and if in this combination Sun also joins and Mars also joins, this can be a chart of a doctor or a surgeon. Okay, so we need to see that. One more thing, this native would be getting a respected profession because the profession would be Jupiter related. Again, he or she will be respected. Okay. This native might have limbs. Okay. Now Jupiter plus Mars. Okay. The next combination. When Jupiter and Mars are sitting together, I forgot to write one. Just adding this moon. Okay. So I'll explain it later. Mars. Okay. Mars is the brother. Okay. So when Jupiter sits with Mars in a particular house, it means you might be you might have a twin brother or a brother who looks just like you. Okay. One. If it is a female chart, if it is a female chart and Jupiter and Mars are sitting together, it does mean that the native or the female native, her husband will have qualities of Jupiter. Her husband will be a public person or a teacher, known figure in his or his area. Okay, if it is in a female chart, if Jupiter and Mars is together, when Jupiter and Mars are sitting together, irrespective of house, irrespective of gender, if it is a male chart or female chart, doesn't matter, you are very prone to accidents. Okay, but you will be saved because of Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter is sitting with Mars, so you will have accidents, but you will be saved. Okay, but if Jupiter and Mars, if Mars is aspecting Jupiter, generally that is the greatest, in that combination will have greatest fear, because Jupiter is native and Mars is aspecting Jupiter from any of the houses. Okay, that means prone to accident also. Again, very bad accidents might happen because Mars generally try to create problems, blood related problems, or blood loss in the body, accidents. So Mars generally creates that, and if it aspects the Guru or the Jupiter, that is more fatal than if it is sitting with the Jupiter. Jupiter can control and Jupiter can save if sitting with Jupiter. Okay, so this is better than Mars is aspecting Jupiter. Okay, just note that. If this combination happens in any particular house, then the native might be a sports person. Okay, Mars is also denotes skills. If you are playing guitar, you are doing something, you are good at computers, you are good at sports, any kind of sports. Okay, it also suggests that you might be a very good sportsman, you might have very brilliant skills in you. Okay, now how far this particular sportsman will go, it depends on the exaltation and debilitation of planets and the aspect of the other planets of on this particular combination. Okay, a sports person can be anybody, but Virat Kohli can be one. So it depends that how good his connection is in his horoscope. Okay, so Jupiter plus Mars generally denotes that. If this combination is there in your horoscope, then Mars is the brother. So your brother might be a public figure. Your brother might be having these qualities of Jupiter. Your brother might be a teacher or working in a bank or any kind of public service. Okay, engaged with any kind of public service or a known personality. So if this combination is there in your horoscope, then I'm talking about brother. Your brother might be a good personality or a known personality, a politician or a cricketer, everyone knows. Okay, might happen, or a teacher. Fine. If Jupiter and Mars are together, I said already that you might be prone to accidents, trouble. There will be trouble in your life, but if you have a brother, your brother will be saved always. It's the This is a good combination for your brother, okay, but not for you. Okay, it's a good combination if you're a sports person and all, but overall, if I speak about the accidents and problems, then it's you are very prone to it, but not your brother. Your brother will be good. When Jupiter and Mercury are sitting together in a particular house, guys, you can follow my other videos where I have already explained the location of your house, how to find out the location of your house in astrology by just looking at your birth chart. Okay, so we will know that if Mercury or any other planet sits with Jupiter or just beside Jupiter, how can we predict the location of your house? Okay, and in this case, if this combination is there, Jupiter plus Mercury in any particular house, you are a very intelligent person. First, you will have a very good academic career. You have a dual personality. Okay, outside you will be acting like something, your personality is different, but in house you are different again. Okay, dual personality. You may be outside you might be very jolly in nature, okay, very humorous, but at the same time when you come to your house you are very introvert, you are a very serious person, or vice versa. Okay, so dual personality, because Mercury is a dual personality indicator planet, like Gemini, girl and boy both. Okay, Mercury also represents those houses which have dual personality, like Gemini and Virgo. Okay, now, so I already explained in that video, still I am repeating here. If Mercury and Jupiter are sitting together, then your house might be in a place where a shopping mall is very nearby, or any kind of grocery shop, big ones, like there are Reliance Fresh and all. Okay, so there are many multiplexes. So your house will be located in that kind of area where you will have these kind of things, a big store, okay, big grocery shops, or an educational institution, because Mercury is educational institution also, or a school, okay, just beside your house, within 1 or 2 kilometers of your house. Okay, Mercury is the neighbor also. Your neighbor, wherever your house is located, your neighbors would be very smart, or well educated neighbors. If Jupiter and Mercury are together in a particular house, then your neighbors are not very ordinary neighbors. They are good, and they are well educated, learned person. So you will be staying in a very good area or very good place if Jupiter and Mercury are together in a particular house. One more thing, that Languages. You will know more than one language for sure. Okay. Generally, if Jupiter and Mercury sits together, it gain you more knowledge. Like you might be knowing more than three languages at the same time. Okay. So you might be thinking that it's easy in today's days, but not. If you actually go outside of some area outside of India, they generally speak in a single language. Okay, so you won't find these kind of combinations very frequently in their charts. Okay, just see Jupiter and Mercury together, then you might be knowing more than three languages or at least three languages. Okay. Next, Rahu. If Jupiter and Rahu sits together, sometimes this combination is not so good. It can create problems. Okay, you might think a lot. Okay, and you might be you might be cheated by different people in your life. If Rahu sits with Jupiter, you might have problem of gastritis. You might have got skin allergies because whenever Rahu is there, just on the opposite side there will be Ketu. So Ketu will be aspecting Jupiter and can give skin allergies, or you will there will be burn in some period of your life, you know skin burn. If Jupiter and Rahu sits together in a particular house, you might be a film director also, you might be a good photographer also. I explained earlier that without Rahu, no one can be a film actor or a director or a photographer for sure, because Rahu is the shadow. So we need shadow whenever we do photography, or we are making any film or documentary. Then of course Rahu would have Rahu's effect would be there. Okay, you might be a very introvert person, very rough in nature. Okay, so you just need to understand these things. I'm not blaming anyone, this is the characteristics in general, but this might change if a benefic is aspecting this combination. Okay, suppose Jupiter and Rahu together and Venus is aspecting this combination, then there would be not much effect of Rahu. Otherwise Rahu generally gives problem. Okay, you will have a creative mind first, because if you have to be a very good photographer or a director, film director, then creative mind would be there. Okay, you will have hurdles in life, but after the age of 36 you will develop if Jupiter and Rahu are together. Okay, after the age of 36 your marital life might not be that good. Okay, if Jupiter sits with Rahu, because Ketu also will be aspecting. If you have children after marriage, then your children might settle abroad or leave the native place or the birthplace. Okay, Ketu. If Jupiter sits with Ketu, okay, the diseases actually coming same as Rahu. It's like you might have burn or electric shock. Another thing, Ketu generally gives surgeries. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so you might be very prone of surgeries and all, but Jupiter will save you. That's for sure. Okay, Jupiter and Ketu together, it denotes that you are a religious person and You might be a good astrologer also. Okay, you might be a good sannyasi also, because Ketu is the moksha karaka planet. Okay. One more thing about Rahu: if Jupiter and Rahu is together, then you might be a wanderer also. You may leave your house and go outside, and you might be traveling, aimlessly. There will be no particular aim that, or particular goal that I'll do that. If I go there, you will just travel. You will be a traveler. Okay, this is Rahu. And Ketu, I'm talking about right now. If Jupiter and Ketu are together in a particular house, any of the houses, you are a very dominating personality. You will have a very dominating personality, and you will dominate on others. Even in your house also, you will try to dominate always. Okay. Also, you might have headache or spinal issues, spinal problem. Again, you might not be very disciplined in nature. Okay. If you're coming back from office, you will just throw things here and there and sit. Okay, without even rearranging them. So there will be lack of discipline in you if Jupiter and Ketu are together in a particular house. You might be very careless in nature. Okay, if this combination is there, then other people will tell their secrets to you. Okay, that kind of personality you will have, but you will not tell your secret to others. Okay, that's Ketu. Again, we cannot say that you'll have a very perfect marital life. There would be some problems in your marriage. Earlier I explained that if Ketu generally sits with Venus, it delays the marriage. Okay, if it sits in trine with Jupiter, then you might have a break in education. Okay, if Ketu is sitting with Jupiter in a particular house, you might have a temple in your house or just beside the house. Okay, it might be a small one, but there will be. Okay, there might be a pilgrimage place nearby to your house. Okay, also, in case of diseases, you might have problem with arteries, or you might have some allergies. And you might have constipation issues also if Ketu sits with Jupiter in your horoscope. A very important thing is you will have a dual personality again, like Mercury. Outside you will be a different person, inside you will be a different person. Okay, you'll never tell your secret to others, but others will tell their secrets to you. Okay, next, Venus. It's a very important planet. If Jupiter sits with Venus, it's a very good yoga actually. Venus is the wife. If it sits with Jupiter, then your wife, if it is a male chart, then your wife might be very lucky for you. Okay, you after marriage, you will do good financially. If I see this combination in a particular chart, I'll say that your house besides your house there might be a ATM within 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer areas, there might be hospital, there might be any financial institution like banks. Okay, there might be medicine shops just beside your house within 1 or 2 kilometers of areas. Okay, these people are very money minded. If Jupiter and Venus sits together in a particular house, irrespective of gender, whether you are female or male, doesn't matter, you will be very money minded. Okay, you will not allow everyone in your house. You will have good connections with few important people in your life, but you might not allow all of them in your house, or you might not entertain them. Okay, one more thing, if this combination is there, it's actually lucky that you will be rich at some point of time, and whenever you are getting married, it would be a very big occasion. Like sometimes people getting married, that people gets married and nobody knows, or generally few people are invited. But in this case, when Jupiter and Venus are together, it will be a huge ceremony, many invitees. Okay, it will be like a festival. The marriage will be like a festival if Jupiter and Venus are together. Okay, you might be taking medicines. You might have to take medicines, or might be taking at some point of time in your life. You'll have to take regular medicines for some reason, because Venus is medicine. Okay, you will have car for sure. Venus represents car generally. So like, see this combination, how we predict in Nadi astrology. So you have seen my earlier videos. Now try to predict one thing in this combination. You add Mercury, you add Saturn here. What happens? This is for people who want to learn. Okay, suppose Jupiter plus Venus plus Mercury plus Saturn is there. Saturn is the karma, Jupiter is yourself, Venus is either medicine or transport, again it depends, and Mercury is business. So you might be you are you may be a business person or business tycoon, or you are doing at transport business, or because Venus is car or medicine, or you will have a medical store of yourself. Okay, if this combination is there, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn and Mercury business, Venus medicine or car, transport. If moon is added here, then it would be definitely, or moon aspects from any of the houses in this combination, then it would be definitely on you can say transport business, because moon is the movement, car, moving car, Venus is car, so moon movement, that is transport business. So that is how we calculate. Next is Jupiter plus moon. Okay, in Vedic astrology this is called Gajakeshari yoga or Gajakeshari combination. It's a good combination, Jupiter plus moon. Okay, if it sits together in a particular house, what happens? I explained already regarding sun. Sun is the father. This is moon. Moon is the mother. So you will be look-alike of your mother. So you You'll be, or you'll have mother's qualities in you. Your mother might be a public personality. Okay, because again, Jupiter's quality would have in your mother would have Jupiter qualities. Okay, like moon is the mother, so Jupiter would be, the teacher, the public person. So your mom would be a celebrity, or known by public very easily. Okay, a public figure or a teacher. Okay, values, tradition very well. Okay, very noble lady. Your mom will be a very, your mother will be a very noble lady if Jupiter and moon sits together. If this combination is there in your chart, it means you will develop in a different land. Okay, you might be born in some place, but will develop in other place. Okay, you might need to travel a lot because moon is the indicator of travel. Okay, moon is also represents your mind. So if Jupiter sits with moon, that means you are a you're generally a open-hearted person or open-minded person. Okay, so that's it about these combinations. Okay, now if you have more than one combination, just combine the results. Okay, according to that you might predict. So today I have explained the combination with Jupiter. Next time, in my next video I might explain regarding Saturn, Mars and all the combinations. Okay, until then, goodbye, take care, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, please put a like and share my channel link with your friends. Bye.